Hi everyone, this is Des the Meridian Healer. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. This will be a breathwork sequence. We are going to do the heart healing sound. Now the heart, when in balance, is joyful. We have joy, we have contentment, we are happy. When it's out of balance though, we have fatigue, anxiety, depression, insomnia, all of these negative feelings that are really deeply rooted in our heart and our spirit. So one of the ways we can battle this is through the healing sounds. The healing sound for the heart is and that's the way you release all the sadness, the negative emotions, the anxiety, etc. So as always, we will do 6 healing breaths. We'll put our palms of our hands onto our heart. Close your eyes. Take a breath in. Smile. See if you can feel your body filling up with a white light, a love light. Let's breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. In, out. In, out. Are you feeling the love? Breathe in, out. One last time, breathe in. I actually got a bit teary-eyed there. How do you feel? It really is amazing. These are such short workouts, but they have such deep-rooted results. So I'm very calm right now. I'm peaceful. I'm happy. Please do this. You can do it throughout the day, whenever you feel that your heart needs a little bit of loving. And as always, remember to do it in the evening before you go to bed. Unload the negative emotions so you can reload with love, joy, and happiness. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.